I do have a question here. This is from Eileen. Are the public notes an option?
Are the public notes an option? Does that, let's see, what does that refer to? I might not quite understand that question.
Okay.
Is that a Word document thing?
That's all that it says in the chat. But we can, from Tracker, she said.
Are the public notes? Okay, I don't believe they are currently, but if that's what it's going to take for us to kind of get you in here using it, I'm sure we would love to kind of get that in there for you.
And then Carrie, she says, are we able to run a report for all projects funded by a specific funding source, or is that outside the project model?
That's a very good question. Let's go look at the project model right here. Funding source. And I'm glad that we have this recorded, so I want to make sure that I answer all these questions, if I can't right now, but in more detail later with some personal emails. If there's an option, if you know that there's an option in your table here, actually I think you can, like if by funding source you mean funding type, and if you can basically, if you can see it on your projects grid over here, you should be able to filter it down within this reports project grid too, to help you kind of filter down by a specific funding source. But again, excellent question. And if you can't see a column for that, we can help you kind of view that and help you filter down the projects. We'd love to help you with that.
I have one final question here. Maybe if we have time to answer, or if not, we could you could follow up just directly.
Okay.
It says, if you have time, I think it's relevant to others here. Would you say a few words about whether and how the template CSharp and syntax might vary from that used by the Marathi report generator? Will it only be the fields and the values, of course, that might vary significantly?
Sure. So we tried to set it up similarly because we know that some ProjectFirma users have used Marathi. The syntax is going to vary a little bit. We tried to keep it as close as we could, but you'll notice that these kind of angle brackets and percentage symbols are different than what you're used to in Marathi. Marathi uses a Python engine to support theirs because their project is written in Python, and our project here is written in C#, so naturally it translates over to C#. But if you have any questions of like why something differs so much, or if you run into any troubles with that, yeah, feel free to reach out to me. And Damon, if you can kind of give me a list of all these questions, I'd love to reach out to people afterwards to give them more detailed answers.
Yeah. I will provide you the complete list.
Perfect.
Well, I know that you have another meeting to go to, Stewart. So
I do.
I just want to thank you for taking the time, and for everyone who's on the call. I am recording it, so I will be posting it, so it'll be available. You'll all get an email, basically letting you know when it's been posted and where to find it. Next week, we're doing another web training with Jolly. It's on evaluations. You can register to attend that on our website and on the events page. And if you have suggestions for future web trainings, just let us know. We'd love to, keep doing this. So thank you all.
Yeah, thank you, everybody. Seriously.
Okay, take care. Bye.
All right. Goodbye.